For decades, heavy-duty truck buyers have measured progress in torque, durability, and real-world reliability, not just horsepower figures or flashy tech. The Ford F-250 has long been a cornerstone in this space, evolving through multiple generations of power-stroke diesel engines. Now, rumors and discussions around a potential Ford 8.0L diesel engine have sparked serious debate among truck enthusiasts, fleet operators, and industry insiders alike. The big question is simple. Is this the upgrade the F-250 truly needs, or just another leap that risks complexity over reliability? Let's break it down from every angle: performance, engineering philosophy, real-world usability, and what experts are saying. The legacy of Ford's diesel evolution. Before diving into the hypothetical 8.0L diesel, it's important to understand the foundation Ford has built. Ford's diesel journey has included the legendary 7.3L Power Stroke, known for durability, the controversial 6.0L and 6.4L, plagued by reliability issues, and the modern 6.7L Power Stroke, a refined, high-output powerhouse. The current 6.7L Power Stroke V8 is already one of the most capable diesel engines in the segment, delivering massive torque, impressive towing capacity, and improved emissions compliance. So why even consider an 8.0L diesel? Experts point to three main pressures. 1. Increasing towing demands, especially in commercial use. 2. Competition from GM and Ram pushing torque boundaries. 3. The need to balance emissions with performance. What an 8.0L diesel could mean. An 8.0L diesel engine would represent a significant shift in Ford's strategy. Rather than squeezing more performance out of smaller displacement engines, Ford could be returning to a bigger is better philosophy, but with modern engineering. Key expected benefits. 1. Massive torque gains. Diesel engines thrive on displacement. An 8.0L engine could easily push torque figures beyond current limits, potentially exceeding 1,300 lb-ft. Lower engine stress. One of the biggest issues with modern high-output diesels is that they rely heavily on turbocharging and high-pressure systems. A larger engine doesn't need to work as hard, runs cooler under load, and experiences less internal strain. Fleet engineers often emphasize that detuned strength beats overstressed performance, a philosophy that an 8.0L diesel would align with. 3. Better real-world durability. Real-world durability isn't about peak numbers. It's about consistency over time. An 8.0L diesel could maintain performance under extreme conditions, handle poor fuel quality better, important globally, and deliver longer service intervals. The downsides nobody can ignore. While the idea of a larger diesel sounds appealing, there are serious trade-offs. 1. Emissions complexity. Modern diesel engines are heavily regulated. Increasing displacement introduces challenges. More NOx emissions to control, larger after-treatment systems required, increased DEF consumption. Experts warn that scaling displacement in the modern emissions era is exponentially harder than before. This could mean higher maintenance costs, more sensors and failure points, and increased long-term ownership complexity. 2. Fuel efficiency concerns. Bigger engines typically consume more fuel. Even with advanced tuning, an 8.0L diesel would likely burn more fuel under light loads and reduce efficiency in daily driving scenarios. For many F-250 owners who use their trucks as daily drivers, this could be a deal breaker. 3. Weight and packaging issues. An 8.0L engine would be physically larger and heavier. That impacts front axle load, suspension tuning, and overall vehicle balance. Automotive engineers often highlight that weight distribution is just as critical as power output. A heavier engine could affect handling, reduce payload capacity, and increase tire and brake wear. Where it falls short: high stress at peak output levels, complex turbo systems, and expensive repairs when things fail. An 8.0L diesel could solve some of these issues, but might introduce new ones. Industry trends: bigger versus smarter. The truck industry is at a crossroads. Trend 1. Smaller, more advanced engines. Manufacturers are using high-pressure fuel systems, adding complex turbo setups, and relying on software optimization. Trend 2. Electrification and hybrid torque. Some competitors are exploring hybrid assist systems, electric torque fill, and battery-supported towing. where an 8.0L diesel fits. An 8.0L diesel would be a counter-trend move, focusing on mechanical strength rather than technological complexity. Experts are divided. Some argue it's a return to reliability. Others say it's a step backward in efficiency and emissions. Real-world use case analysis. Let's break down how an 8.0L diesel would perform in actual scenarios. 1. Heavy towing. Best case, this is where the engine would shine. Less strain under load, consistent torque delivery, and reduced overheating risk. For contractors and RV haulers, this could be a game changer. 2. Daily driving. Mixed results for everyday use. Pros: smooth, low RPM operation, strong acceleration without effort. Cons: higher fuel consumption and potentially higher maintenance costs. 3. Fleet operations. Highly attractive. Fleet managers prioritize longevity, predictable maintenance, and downtime reduction. An 8.0L diesel could deliver longer engine life and reduced failure rates under constant load. However, emission systems remain a concern. Expert insights. What engineers and mechanics say. Diesel technicians, many experienced diesel mechanics, favor simpler, larger engines. Common insight. Engines that don't need to work as hard tend to last longer. They highlight that lower boost pressure reduces wear, simpler tuning improves reliability, and larger displacement handles abuse better. Automotive engineers take a more cautious stance. Their concerns: emissions compliance complexity, packaging constraints, and cost versus benefit ratio. One recurring theme: the challenge isn't building an 8.0L diesel. It's making it viable in today's regulatory environment. Fleet operators. Fleet buyers often look at total cost of ownership. Their perspective: if durability increases significantly, fuel cost becomes secondary. Downtime is more expensive than fuel. An 8.0L diesel could appeal strongly if it reduces breakdown frequency and simplifies long-term maintenance. The cost factor. A new engine platform is expensive to develop. An 8.0L diesel would likely increase base truck price, raise maintenance costs, especially emissions components, and require specialized servicing. However, for heavy-duty users, the upfront cost may be justified by long-term durability. The reliability question. This is the biggest factor. Ford's reputation has improved significantly with the 6.7 power stroke, but past diesel issues still linger in buyer memory. An 8.0L diesel would need to prove bulletproof internals, reliable emission systems, and long-term consistency. Experts agree. If Ford launches an 8.0L diesel, it cannot afford another reliability controversy. Could this be the last great diesel? With electrification accelerating, some analysts believe large diesel engines may not have a long future.